Hi, I'm Marie and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making a tasty mango and coconut cream dessert. This recipe also uses glutinous rice. The trio ingredients combine to make it a totally refreshing tropical dessert. At the bottom, you have the glutinous rice, also known as sticky rice, cooked with coconut milk and sugar. In the middle, fresh mango pudding. And at the top, this creamy coconut pudding. Now let's get started. We begin by making the glutinous rice cake base. For that, you need glutinous rice, coconut milk, sugar and salt. First thing first, rinse the rice a few times to get rid of the starch and any impurities. Then soak it for about 2 hours to puff it up. After that, drain off the water. Normally, when you cook rice, the proportion is 1 part rice to 1.5 part liquid. But because we have soaked this rice for 2 hours, we'll reduce the liquid by using a ratio of 1:1. Now, mix all the ingredients together. Stir them until the sugar has dissolved. Pour the mixture into a cake pan. This one is 9 by 3 inches. We'll cook the rice by steaming, so use whatever utensils you have on hand to do this. The steaming time is 30 minutes. Use high heat for the first 15, then drop the temperature to simmer for the last 15. When it's done, set it aside to cool. Our next step is preparing the middle layer, which will be fresh mango pudding. Use 3 medium-sized ripe mangoes. Rinse them a couple of times to ensure no contamination. The quickest way to remove the flesh is with the scooping method. Score each mango half with a grid pattern. Be careful not to cut through its skin. When you scoop out the flesh with a spoon, you get cubes like this. Divide the cubes into 2 equal parts. Puree just 1 part to get about 1 cup. Don't puree the other cubes. Set them aside for later. To make the mango pudding, you use agar-agar powder. It's best to soften it with room temperature water first before cooking it. This way it will melt smoothly during cooking. By the way, you can use gelatin instead of agar-agar. Simply double the amount of gelatin. Now, cook the softened agar-agar with the sugar. Once the mixture comes to a high simmer and the sugar has dissolved, turn off the heat. Stir in the mango puree. Mix it well, then add the mango cubes. While the mixture is still warm, pour it into the pan on top of the sticky rice. Now, put it in your refrigerator to set while we proceed to the final step. That will be preparing the coconut pudding topping. We'll also be using agar-agar powder to make the coconut pudding. Mix it with room temperature water first. Other ingredients we'll use are coconut milk, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Pour all the ingredients into a pot. Cook them with medium heat. Stir the mixture regularly so it doesn't burn on the bottom. Once it comes to a high simmer, it's done. While the pudding is still warm, pour it on top of the other 2 layers. Agar-agar sets quickly. Let it cool in your refrigerator and it will be ready to serve in about 2 hours. The dessert is completely set now. Cut it into portions and serve. It's the perfect combination of mango, coconut cream and sticky rice flavors. I love it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to push that like button, share and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.